All right, just getting the next viz up on frameanalytics.io, a new site to host your HTML web-based dashboards in. I worked on a viz for March Madness. I'm not a huge follower, but I know it's popular, so threw this together with Claude code. And let's take a look. So first we have each of the regions. We've got all of the teams that will be playing featured. Hovering shows the matchup between the two teams. Currently, the color represents the seed of the team. And we can change that to highlight the record of the team, like their percentage wins, and their upset risk, which is like a rank of the seed gap and underdog strength, which I don't know how that's calculated, but it's there. That's here as well. The upset watch is to watch the set for Duke versus Siena, Arizona, LIU, Purdue and Queens, Houston, Idaho, Florida, Prairie View, and Iowa State and Tennessee State. Put this back, and if we click on a team, we get, I'll have to move that there. We get the sidebar with a lot of information on the two teams. We've got their scoring, defensive, rebounds, assists, points average per game, it looks like. Then we can close that. Then we'll get a close-up of the orbit and click on a region. You get the teams. Nice close-up of those. You can search a team. Utah. That's their first matchup. And just for fun, threw in a little animation from D3. So when you switch between the color versions, you get that animated switch. It's a little more fun than just changing the colors. Yeah, so with this, we've got a few more things, like a couple stories rather than just the dashboard. The first one is the perfect bracket, going through the odds of guessing perfectly. So that's 9.2 quintillion. And that's like flipping a coin and hitting heads 63 times in a row. So if 1 million is 11 days, then relative, a billion would be about, or 31.7 years. It says a human lifetime. That's quite a bit lower than comparing that to the 9.2 quintillion. You've got 292 billion years. So it's a very low chance. There's just a few highlights on upsets. And then again, another comparison. So Powerball is 1 in 292 million. And then a bracket with seeding information, like knowledge. puts you at 1 in 120 billion. And then purely random is the 1 in 9.2 quintillion. There are two more stories: bracket efficiency and closest games in the past. I'll just kind of like go through this one to show the animations. But I'll put a link to this in the video and in the post. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.